this video, we'll take a look at the texture palette. The texture palette contains a variety of images and patterns. Textures can be added to this palette through image import, or alternatively, we can export the textures generated in ZBrush in various file formats. Further up, there is another texture palette where we can conveniently modify either our imported texture or the one created in ZBrush. Here, we can flip our texture, both horizontally, and vertically rotate it, or even invert all its colors to create a completely unique and visually striking design. Additional options in the settings include changing the texture size, as well as creating textures from the viewport. The resolution of the generated texture is based on the current stage size, which was previously set in the document menu. Alternatively, you can create alpha images by using textures. We can duplicate textures using the clone button, and remove the generated textures here. Some buttons can also be found in the texture menu to the left of the stage. Basically, they adopt the sequence of the same processes. We can also set imported textures as background images. We select the desired image, and then click the Load Image button at the bottom of the image plane to upload it. To remove the loaded image, we will clear the layer. We could also choose to apply various textures and patterns to our object using the brush. For that, we activate the RGB mode and turn off the surface deformation. Now we select our desired texture. And as we already know, we project the texture from the center outwards onto our object using the drag rectangles. This feature is called polypainting in ZBrush. In the next video, we will examine the polypainting process.